Hey guys, it's Cameron here with Emerson House Buyers. Every week I bring you tools, tactics, strategies, lessons I've learned, things that have helped me build up a sizable loan portfolio in about 2 years. Today I wanted to talk about a study I read. It was on millionaire habits. The guy's name was Tom Corley. He said that 95% of wealthy people saved at least 20% of their after-tax income. Whoa, let me say it again. 95% of wealthy people saved at least 20% of their after-tax income. So, I noted a couple things here. Spend less than you make, budget, take advantage of some of these retirement accounts and bonuses and free money that you guys will get, and that will allow you to do this quickly, more quickly, or more easily than to save 20%. Some people think, holy shit, 20%, there's no way in hell I'll be able to do that. Bullshit. That is a limiting belief or a limiting mindset. Get resourceful. I'm going to show you a couple ways here I was speaking with somebody about this recently, about how to save, you want to save at least 10% of your income. It doesn't matter what book you go into, who you read, at least 10% of your income. Apparently 95% save 20% of their after-tax income. So I want to show you guys a couple ways here. So let's look. If we can make $48,000 a year after tax, post-tax, which really isn't that bad, that is going to translate to, we're just going to use even numbers here, $4,000 a month. Okay? Pretty simple stuff here. Now, that, if we want to save 20% of that, it's 0.2, that is the equivalent of $800 a month. $800 a month. Maybe it's easier to do it this way. Nah. Let's do it this way. What do you think? Okay, $800 a month. So, $800 a month. That sounds like a lot. However, most people, if you guys are participating at if you guys are at a large company or even a decent sized company, you should have a 401k match. I don't know, some people that's 3%, some people that's 6%, some people that's 7%, some 8%, whatever, pension, all sorts of benefits. Let's just use a nice even number and say it's 5% matching. You put in 5% of your income into the 401k, or your equivalent. You call them, there's different names for them if you're in a nonprofit or a government company or work with the military. But your 401k, if you save 5% of your income, that is, or if you match, that's $200 a month. Okay? You have to put away $200, and they're going to give you, depending upon how you do it, whether you do a Roth or a traditional, they're going to give you $200 a month. So you have your 200, 5% times 4,000 is $200 a month. They're going to give you an extra 200 because you're contributing. That's what the 401k is. That's the benefit. That's what we're saying. We're just going to say they match you. So now you have $400 a month left. Okay? That seems a lot more reasonable, right? What else can you do, guys? So this is your 401k. There's something else called an HSA, health savings account, if you have a high deductible plan. HSA. Companies will give you $500, $800, $1,000 towards your health savings account. Now, I don't want to lose you here, getting too technical, but the health savings account is very lucrative. It's triple tax deferred, meaning that it's pre-tax money, so you get the tax write-off when you put it in. It grows tax-free, and it's withdrawn tax-free. So you never are taxed on it if you use it for qualified medical expenses until you reach the age of 65, which you can roll it over into a Roth and never pay taxes on it, ever. Or you can take it out, pay taxes on it, use it for anything else, and just pay the taxes on it then. still, it's like having an extra retirement account, a traditional IRA. So that account is very, very lucrative. Let's just say they give you $50 a month, which is $600 a year. That's lowballing. So now our $800 a month goal to have a 95% success, or to be like 95% of the other wealthy people, which means we'll probably be like them, we'll model them. Our measly goal, if you can read that, is now $350 a month. Holy shit, guys. That seems pretty reasonable. So we just cut down an $800 a month goal and cut it down to $350. Now, for your HSA, you probably have to contribute some of that. I think as an individual, you're allowed like 30 some hundred, maybe 3,000 or 3,150. I'm not sure in 2018, 2019 when that changes. But you also have your Roth IRAs and your traditional IRAs. $350, guys, is not that much to try to save, right? I mean, that is less than 75, or is that 75 a week? That's a little over 75 a week, right? $80 a week. $10, $11 a day. If that still seems daunting, like I said, let's take advantage of these 401 or of our Roth or traditional IRAs. They will also allow you a tax deduction. Cut out cell phones, guys. I have other episodes on saving money, how to save money, pick up a side gig. But if you can save, I mean, just look at these numbers, guys. 48,000 is not unheard of. This isn't a friggin' rocket scientist or doctor's salary. 20% of that, $800 a month. If you can save $800 a month, then you will be like, the odds are you're going to be wealthy. 95% of wealthy people save 20%. We're going to model them. We want to save 20%. $800 a month. 5% in our 401k match, that's $200. We only have to contribute $200. That's $400. Only leaves $400 left. We do our HSA that we get a little bit of money from. That's if we do have the option to do HSA, that's $50. Now we only have $350 a month left. Guys, $350 a month. Come on. I mean, that is to be wealthy. And I don't know what the gauge was on this. He said millionaire habits, so I don't know if he's classifying anybody that makes $1 million or more as the wealthy individual. But guys, I've have other episodes about compound interest as well. We know the power of this. $350 a month is nothing. If you're struggling with credit cards, or there's something else going on, maybe a car that's lingering, once you get that paid off, say you get a bonus or a raise, take that, say you have a $350 a month payment. Once you pay your car off, take that $350 a month and start putting it into one of these retirement accounts. So I don't have time. I don't want to go into it now, but we'll break it down in another episode, maybe the differences between the 401ks, the HSAs, your IRAs, your Roths, all that. But guys, $350, that's what I'm asking out of you. $200 a month plus for your 401k plus $350. It's doable. It's very, very manageable. If you counted up the stupid shit you guys spend money on, I do it too. I'm not pushing blame here. I spend money on stupid shit. If I counted that up, I bet I could scrape by $350. If I went out and Ubered for 2 nights a week and made $50, that's $100 a week. That's my $350. I mean, there's ways to do things, right? So it's how bad you want it. So anyways, guys, I thought that was interesting. 95%, again, Tom Corley came up with that. He did a study on millionaire habits, and it was 95% of wealthy people saved at least 20% of their after-tax income. Guys, the rules are pretty simple. Spend less than you make, budget, take advantage of these retirement accounts. Those are the 3 things. Hope this was helpful. If it was, let me know. If it wasn't, let me know. I think, breaking stuff down like this, guys, if you like doing this, or you want to see something more granular, or you have other questions, you have a specific situation that you think is not going to be applicable, let me know, and I'll break it down. I guarantee you we can find a way for for you to save money and get to retirement, get to the millionaire status, get to that 7 figure. Okay, guys, cheers. Thanks.